welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Judiciary is the biggest threat for RTI. Former Central Information Commissioner of India Shailesh Gandhi drops a bombshell. DYSP Semi Tavares grills geologist Ramnath Chetgaonkar and mining officials over Korgaon illegal mining case. 3 files still missing. Paris Hilton in Goa for India Resort Fashion Week says she loves Indian fashion and fabric. Express admiration for Goa. One month after midday meal scam expose, police still clueless about the perpetrators of scam. Government departments not providing necessary information, says sources. And Goa claims 17 medals, including 6 golds at National Jitendra Championships. And now the news in detail. Former Central Information Commissioner of India, Shailesh Gandhi, has said that biggest threat to RTI is the former judiciary. Taking part in a lecture program on RTI and good governance, Shailesh Gandhi said that the Supreme Court is giving emphasis on exemption more than Information Commission in the matters related to the RTI Act.
A famous RTI activist and former Central Information Commissioner of India, Shailesh Gandhi, said that RTI is facing threats from the government and from Central Information Commission itself. But the biggest threat RTI is from the judiciary. Giving some examples, Shailesh Gandhi said that in recent times the Supreme Court is giving emphasis on exemption more than information in the matters related with RTI Act.
The whole thrust of the Supreme Court's arguments in the last 1 year is that the exemptions must be considered equal. So therefore, the way the court is now analyzing these decisions or analyzing these exemptions, I suspect they are broadening the scope of these exemptions. If it continues like this, the government need not amend any act. This will then become a right to denial of information instead of right to information.
Talking about the value and use of RTI Act, Shailesh Gandhi said that the RTI Act is not only a tool of getting information, but it is a tool to empower every citizen of India.
Of the power equation between the individual citizen and the government. And therefore, to my mind, right to information is extraordinarily important. Apart from the fact that it gives information, apart from the fact that it helps you to monitor government, apart from the fact that it helps you to figure out if there is corruption, apart from the fact that transparency will help you to do lots of things. The key factor of right to information is the empowerment that it provides to each individual citizen. And over a period of time, this can change the entire power dynamics of the way power is exercised in this country.
Shailesh Gandhi also said that there should be complete transparency in the selection of public information commissioners. With video journalist Sushant Par, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent Media.
Ghost of alleged illegal mining still haunts former Congress MLA Jitendra Deshprabhu. DYSP Semi Tavares interrogated mining department officials regarding the missing files pertaining to Jitendra Deshprabhu Korgaon mine. Sources from the department confirmed that 3 files are still missing from the department. Department submitted some photocopies of the documents to DYSP Semi Tavares.
DYSP Semi Tavares called 4 officials from Mines Department in connection with missing files in the alleged Korgaon illegal mining case. Sources confirmed that 4 officials were called by DYSP Semi Tavares. Only senior geologist Ramnath Chetgaonkar was interrogated. Questioning went on for nearly 5 hours. DYSP quizzed Chetgaonkar about missing files from department. According to sources, some photocopies of inspection report has been submitted by the mining department. Tavares found that some part in the inspection report was inadequate. DYSP questioned why the proper procedures were not followed during preparation of inspection report. Sources from Mines Department also confirmed that 3 files pertaining to inspection report of the alleged illegal mining at Koregaon, Bhaidwada was still missing from the department. Meanwhile, the North Goa Sessions Court at Panji granted permissions to former Congress MLA Jitendra Deshprabhu to travel to Delhi. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent Media.
The famous and gorgeous Paris Hilton was down in Goa to participate in the India Resort Fashion Week. Hilton said that she is most excited to be in Goa as the celebrity loves Goa and the serene environment. Paris Hilton also expressed admiration for Indian fashion and fabric. Our fashion correspondent Greta Menezes had a chat with the icon. We have the stunning, gorgeous and beautiful lady Paris Hilton with us, and China does not read any introduction, so questions directly. How are you feeling in Goa?
Thank you. This is my first time here in Goa. It's so beautiful and relaxing. I'm having a wonderful time. I'm so happy to be here.
What do you have to say about the fashion industry in India then?
I love the fashion in India. I'm obsessed with Shane and Falguni Peacock. I'm wearing one of their looks tonight, and I'll be rocking it in their runway show and wearing it for my performance. So I just love the Indian fashion. I think it's so bright and beautiful and fun, and the women are so exotic and beautiful.
Would you wish Goa for Christmas and New Year? Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, Goa. Love you.
Tell us, how was the endeavor of getting Paris Hilton down to Goa? It was like...
Actually, we're a global company, so reaching out to all these talents is not that much of a challenge for us. We want to make our India Resort Fashion Week brand a global brand that started from Goa actually. So we're quite thankful to Goa, and we wanted to bring Paris Hilton here. So what we're doing is not just goes out to the national media of this country, but it goes to global media. People in the USA all know Paris Hilton's in India right now, in Goa.
So how is Paris Hilton's reaction to coming down to Goa as she is coming for the first time here now?
If you look at her Twitter page, she's clearly said she loves Goa. I mean, she feels so relaxed here. The energy here is different. The swaying palm trees. It's just, look at this. It's just amazing. Yeah.
This is for the first time that the beautiful lady is in Goa. She'll be performing at the India Resort Fashion Week. With video journalist Prajot Pednekar, this is Greta Menezes for Prudent. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.